Marilyn Baywall.
And I'm Joe Baywall, and we're here to talk to you about the Ultimate Sugar Show.
It is getting to be one of the biggest shows on the East Coast.
And we're going to be there. We're in booth 409, so stop by and see us. Also, stop by to learn about some of the new things that have been happening with the Flexique product line. One of them that has been very popular is a three-dimensional ribbon. I want to show it to you real quick here. We colored it first. We just spread out Flexique into the mat and then laid another color on top of it for a very interesting effect.
And what can you do with these? Well, this makes an excellent ribbon because there's 2 layers. It holds its shape very well, and it makes a really nice pattern bow, which you can use on your Southern Ladies hats.
The Southern Ladies Hats competition at the Ultimate Sugar Show that we're actually sponsoring. If you enter, you've got a couple of benefits that come your way. You get free product to help you design all those things that you want to put onto your hat. You're going to be given access to one-on-one consultation with the expert to give you some ideas as to what aspects of Flexique can be used in your design. It's not too late to sign up.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
So sign up today.